How do you think this is going to be received by by Filipinos? Yung very, very civilian ng PNP versus the past na puro PMAers yung nakaupo. I'm sure you're also familiar with the idea na some PMAers don't necessarily look too kindly upon PNP graduates. May ganun may ganun discrimination minsan na PMAer kami, PNP kayo. I don't know if you agree with that. But I'd like to mind your thoughts about that. Did you ever feel that?
Well, hindi ko pinapansin. Okay? Hindi ko pinapansin. It's not really something that I lose sleep on. No? Even before, not now. Ang sa akin dito ay lahat tayo Pilipino. Iisang sinumpang tungkulin. Pagtaas mo ng kamay mo, iisang binabasa natin at pinipirmahan na oath of office. At iisang organisasyon na ating pinagsiservisyoan, iisang audience, iisang Filipino community, Filipino people na ating siniservisyoan.